Hi guys, Tom here with another ASUS feature video. This time we're looking at the new and stylish Chromebook Flip C434. Designed to give you a near borderless experience, ASUS have taken extra care to design the C434's display. Complete with ultra slim bezels measuring just 5mm thin on the sides, the C434's 14-inch Full HD Nano Edge display gives you an amazing 87% screen-to-body ratio. Coupled with its 100% sRGB range and the 178-degree wide viewing technology, the C434's crisp and clear display is perfect for beautiful visuals. However, the benefits of the Nano Edge design aren't just limited to the display. Because the smaller bezels reduce the overall size, the C434 has an ultra-compact footprint, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits of a 14-inch Full HD display in a chassis that's as small as many 13-inch laptops. The fact that the C434 is only 15.7mm thin and 1.45 kilograms light means you can take it anywhere with you without it weighing you down or taking up your whole bag. Next, let's take a look at this precision-engineered 360-degree ErgoLift hinge. As a staple on modern ASUS laptops, the exclusive ErgoLift hinge has a silky smooth action that holds the display securely at any angle. This innovative hinge also lifts and tilts the keyboard into a perfect typing position when the display is rotated into laptop mode. But that's not all. Additionally, it can help enhance the C434's powerful audio by creating extra space underneath the laptop. Now, these awesome features wouldn't mean much without the battery life and processing power to boot, and the C434 doesn't disappoint. With the latest Intel processors combined with the full power of G Suite and other productivity apps from the Google Play Store, the Chromebook Flip lets you breeze through all your everyday tasks on the go and lasts for up to 10 hours on a single charge, so you can work or play throughout the whole day while you're on the move. And last but definitely not least, the C434 has a precision-crafted all-aluminium chassis finished with elegant diamond-cut anodized edges, making it stylish to look at but also maintaining a tough shell. And that's it for this video, so if you want to find out more about the Chromebook Flip C434, be sure to click the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more feature videos and ASUS announcements.